welcome. Today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you all a Valentine's recipe, and this one is for a red velvet cupcake frosted with a cream cheese frosting. So the first thing we're going to do is make the red velvet cupcakes. Now I'm going to be making cupcakes for this recipe, but if you wanted to make this into an entire whole cake, you can. So to make this, I have flour, cinnamon, vanilla essence or extract, some distilled white vinegar, baking soda, salt, cocoa powder, red food coloring, and you want to use a food coloring like on the darker side. I prefer it on the darker side. If you wanted a bright red velvet cake, then you would use a brighter red coloring. Here I have my vegetable oil, brown sugar and white sugar, eggs and heavy cream. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix all of the wet ingredients together. So to the oil, I'm going to add in the eggs. And I'm just going to beat those to break them up. In goes the milk, the vinegar, and the vanilla. You're just going to mix this and set this aside. I'm going to add my wet mixture to this bowl. And I'm going to add in the sugar. And you can use your hand whisk, or you can use your hand blender or your hand mixer or your stand mixer for this. You just want to mix this until the sugar dissolves. I'm just going to set this aside, and here I have my flour. I'm going to put in all the dry ingredients into the flour. So the red food coloring, the cocoa powder, the cinnamon powder, the salt and the baking soda. And I'm just going to mix that to whisk in and mix all of the ingredients evenly. Okay, next you're going to add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. And you're just going to fold this in. So guys, the cupcakes just came out of the oven. I'm going to allow them to cool down. When they cool down, then I'll make the cream cheese frosting, and then we'll go ahead and frost them. Okay, now to make the cream cheese frosting, here I have room temperature cream cheese, softened butter, icing or confectioner's sugar, and some vanilla essence or extract. So to the cream cheese, I'm going to add in the butter, and you guys can use your stand mixer or hand mixer for this. And I'm just going to mix the butter together with the cream cheese until it's soft and fluffy. Once mixed in, add in your vanilla essence and your powdered sugar and mix to combine. Okay, once mixed in, you're going to put it into your piping bag. And all you do next is pipe the icing onto the cupcakes. So guys, here you have it, your Valentine's recipe for red velvet cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. If you guys enjoyed today's recipe, or if you make it, please let me know down below. Remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I would see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!